All right, boys and girls, we brought the flying turd back out of retirement to see if it'll fly any better in the house than it did outside. Now, when I went to fly this outside, it didn't fly good, but it wasn't windy at all. So, I mean, the turd doesn't know that it's outside, right? It's just a turd. It just flies. Or it don't, or like it did there that day. It was in the summer. I had it out in the back of that old abandoned Hooters. But let's try it here in the house and see if it's we have any more success with the turd than we did during the summer. It might make a comeback. I'll put the flight time in there. You can see this thing wants to take off. You got to work it to keep it from going too high. But it also drops pretty fast too. Uh-oh. I had to crash it. That was a self-inflicted gunshot wound, okay? I had to do it. I didn't have a choice. No choice on that deal. Let's turn it off and re-fire it up. Recalibrate it. Whoa. Now this one, they don't have this at Five Below. I had to order this from GearBest. Or, no, Banggood. I got this from Banggood. I'll put a link in there if you want to get it. It was like $7. You know, it's just like the novelty of the whole thing, you know. I'm trying to grab it before I knew that was... I knew it was going to whack off that bulkhead. I knew it. I could see it coming. I could see it coming. Well, like I said, when I ordered this from Banggood 6 months or 8 months ago, this took longer to get to Banggood, or to get from China, than anything I had ever ordered from there. I think it took 3 months to get here. And I think the customs guys were playing with it because it was obviously opened. Good catch, huh? But, yeah, I think the customs guys were playing with it at the customs office because it was obviously opened up completely. So maybe they had it in the customs office for a month or so playing around with it before they sent it on its way. Because the box, man, it was all messed up. Tape was all ripped off. You could see the thing had been pulled out and everything, so. This one has a damn good battery in it. The thing's going completely. That's the problem if I try to grab it, because I don't. Call the doctor. Let's see if it'll still go. Who knows? Oh, it sounds weak. You can hear it. You can hear the motor sounds weaker, so it's on its way out. Has a good IR sensor in there, that's for sure. I can't believe how long this thing's flying, man. It's stunning to me. That's it. There it goes. All right. It was a hell of a run. That's for sure. That is for sure. There it goes, guys. The flying turd. A real classic. Okay. I'll talk to you later.